Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video particularly helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share with a friend. Those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a teeth whitening pen. It is by a company called MOON, which is branded by Kendall Jenner. This is the box it comes in. The instructions are on the back, and then their ingredient list is on the side. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I bought this on Amazon, so for that reason, I will include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. But what's great about this is it's nice and small. So this is the pen itself. It's really compact, so you can throw it in your purse, throw it in your pocket, easy for travel. The concept is that it's all kind of natural with natural ingredients. It has things in it like lavender, violet, mint, and things like that. So it's got a more natural ingredient list. It's also vegan friendly, and it contains no parabens or artificial flavors or LSS or SLES, all those little fun stuff they list typically as kind of stuff that you don't want to be putting in your body. The ingredients are sourced globally, but it is made right here in the US, so that's also kind of a nice little thing. But pretty straightforward. The pen has approximately about 30 uses. And to get it going, you just pop it open, and then you click the bottom here, and that'll release a little fluid into the brush. So let's kind of show you how you apply it, and we'll go to that right now. Okay, so as you saw, it's pretty easy to put on. You just kind of brush it on. You brush it on twice a day. And after about 2 weeks, you'll kind of notice some whitening. Now, I didn't notice a ton of whitening with this, definitely compared to like the strips and stuff like that. But it definitely did do some improving. Now, it only is going to whiten natural teeth. So if you have dentures or veneers or things like that, it will not work on those. It's only going to work on natural teeth. So keep that in mind. But yeah, overall, I think the product is worth a try. It's not super expensive, and it did work by whitening my teeth slightly. So that is basically it. Like I said, I will include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.